Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Venom. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his head with a semi-oval shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower point of that oval shape. Inside of that oval shape, I'm gonna draw his mouth with a curved line across at this lower point, sharp turn downwards diagonally to the middle point, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of the mouth. And inside of the mouth, along the upper corner, I'm gonna draw his teeth with a zigzag line across, like that, all the way from the left to the right corner of his mouth. Below the teeth in the middle, I'm gonna draw his tongue with a curved line off center on the left corner, curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the left, semicircle turn back upwards on the right side with a curved line, turn it upwards, extend the line of the mouth at the side to the tongue right here. And for his lower teeth, I'm gonna draw a similar shape as the upper teeth with a zigzag line across to the inner corner of his mouth. Now from the side of his jaw, I'm gonna extend that line diagonally inwards with a curved line to his chin and downwards, semicircle turn across at the chin and back diagonally upwards on the left side of the jaw. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line off center in the middle of his face right there, sharp turn back upwards and turn it downwards on the right corner, turn it slightly to the left and downwards, curl it out to the left, sharp turn back upwards on the left corner, and arch curved line to the left and back downwards, semicircle turn sideways with a curved line to the left, a triangle niche at that corner, continue that curved line upwards, turn it slightly to the right at that corner, and curved line across diagonally to the left side of his face. Going back to the arch curved line at the inner corner of his eyes, I'm gonna extend that curved line downwards, curve it to the left and slightly upwards, turn it diagonally upwards, sideways to the left and diagonally upwards, semicircle turn upwards at that corner, turn it diagonally to the right, an arch curved line to the right and downwards, sharp turn back out and to the left at his upper corner. Copy the same shape of the eye on the right side. From the side of his head on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, turn it diagonally down at the outer corner. Copy that same shape again on the outer corner right here for the shoulder, turn it downwards. Below that, another curved line downwards at that corner right there, and below that, a curved line across to the left. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw his finger with a diagonal curved line upwards to the left, semicircle turn to the left, turn it downwards, diagonal turn to the right, sharp turn back upwards on the right corner, curved line upwards at that point and extend it upwards. On the right side of that, I'm gonna extend that curved line diagonally downwards, turn it sideways, semicircle turn downwards, diagonal turn to the left, curl it upwards to the left, sharp turn back to the right, and curve line upwards, turn it sideways to the right. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left, turn it downwards, turn it back upwards. On the left side of the finger, I'm gonna copy the same shape of the finger across to the left, right there. And below that, a curved line across at that corner. Below the hand, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the right and slightly downwards, sideways to the right, and semicircular turn upwards at that corner. Curved line diagonally upwards to the side of his body, and on the right side of that ending point, a curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the right there. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and slightly inwards. Another curved line downwards below that. Semicircular turn outwards to his thigh, and diagonal curved line to the left and slightly downwards. Semicircular turn downwards at that corner. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the shoulder and his upper arm on the right side right here. For the inner line of the upper arm, I'm gonna mirror the same shape as the outer line of that arm. And below that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the left. And for the outer line of the lower arm, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and out to his elbow, semicircular turn inwards to the left at his lower point. Turn it slightly downwards and sideways to the left. A diagonal line to the left and downwards, sideways to the left. Turn it diagonally back upwards at that corner. Sharp turn to the right. An arch curved line at that corner. Turn it slightly downwards. Diagonal turn back up and turn it upwards. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the left. Semicircular turn to the left. Turn it upwards. Diagonal curved line back to his knuckle. Above that, a line upwards, and I'm going to copy the same shape of the finger at that corner right there. And above that finger, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, turn it diagonally downwards and to the left, semicircular turn to the left, curved line downwards, sharp turn back upwards, turn it diagonally upwards to the right, semicircular turn back downwards and to the right at that corner. Curved line across to his wrist, and I'm gonna extend the lower arm downwards to his wrist. On his right hand, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there. For the right side of his body, I'm gonna draw on the left side of the right arm a diagonal curved line inwards and downwards. Another curved line below that downwards. Semicircular turn outwards diagonally to his thigh across the fingers right there. Extend that line downwards to his knee point. Below the knee point, a curved line downwards. Semicircular turn slightly to the left below the calf and inwards to his ankle point. Flared back outwards below the ankle point. Semicircular turn at the side to the left, semicircular turn back upwards. Turn it diagonally to the left at that corner, turn it back upwards. Extend that line upwards and flare it back out above the ankle point. Semicircular turn to the right at the side of his knee right there. Above that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards and to the left, to the middle of his legs. In the middle of his leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. For the left leg, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and out to his knee. Semicircle turn downwards below the knee. And on the right side of the knee, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and downwards, flare it out, and turn it back inwards towards his ankle point. Flare it back out below the ankle point, semicircle turn to the left. On the left side of that ending point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line down and to the left, semicircle turn to the left, semicircle turn back upwards diagonally on the left corner, and turn it back upwards and to the right to his ankle point, curved line upwards above the ankle point, flare it slightly outwards, and turn it back inwards towards his knee point. At the side of his knee, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards right there. Now for the insect pattern on his outfit, I'm gonna draw in the middle point below his head an arched curved line across. Turn it upwards with a curved line and curl it to the middle point. Sharp turn back downwards on the left side and slightly inwards. Sharp turn back out and diagonally up to the left. Turn it back downwards. Turn it upwards and turn it back diagonally downwards at the outer corner. Copy the same set of zigzag line back to the middle point again at this lower point. Sharp turn back out, and I'm gonna copy that same set of line to the outer corner. I'm gonna repeat the same shape again 2 more times below that. Below that, I'm gonna repeat the same set of zigzag line again across to the middle point. Turn it diagonally out and downwards at that corner. Curved line downwards. Sharp turn back upwards to the middle point. Curved line across to the right. Turn it back downwards and mirror the whole pattern on the right side as well. Now above that insect logo, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line on the right side right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. At the inner corner of his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and out. Turn it outwards at this lower point. And at the side of his shoulder, at this upper point, I'm going to draw an arched curved line right there. Another one above that. Turn it downwards at this lower point. And another arched curved line above that one. Below the shoulder at the side, I'm going to draw in the middle point a curved line downwards. Semicircle turn to the left along the lower arm and turn it to the side of his wrist. On the right side of that curved line, at the lower arm, I'm gonna draw some curved line across right there. And at the side of his elbow, I'm gonna draw an arched curved line at the outer corner and another similar curved line at the outer corner right there. I'm gonna copy the same patterns on his arm on the left side. At the side of his head, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line to the side of his shoulder right there. And below that curve line, I'm gonna draw some more smaller curve line at the side of his head on the left right there. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the right side of the head. Below the insect pattern on the right side, I'm gonna draw a curve line to the middle point, semicircle turn downwards in the middle, turn it back diagonally out to the right, and semicircle turn upwards. Above that, I'm gonna copy the same shape again, all the way upwards. Below that whole shape at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And from the side of his hip, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line inwards and to the left, slightly downwards to the middle point at the side of his thigh right there. I'm gonna copy the whole shape on the left side. On his thigh, I'm gonna add some faint diagonal curve line right there. An arch curve line above his knee. And mirror that curve line below the knee right there. And below the knee, I'm gonna add a line downwards in the middle point. On his lower leg at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line to the left and downwards. Turn it downwards, turn it back outwards at this lower point. And for the outer line of the lower leg, I'm gonna take the side of his calf and draw a diagonal curve line inwards to the middle point, semicircle turn downwards, extend it downwards to his ankle, and turn it back outwards at the side of his ankle. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw diagonal curve line at that corner and a similar one below that and another one. At the front part of his foot, I'm gonna draw arch curve line at that corner and another one below that. I'm gonna repeat the same patterns on the right side of the legs right here. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.